Now let's solve this question. The question is asking, this is a UGC NET exam question. F comma G functions are given to you from set of integers to set of integers. Okay. They are defined. Fx is given to you. Gx is given to you. Now the question is asking composition of F and G, composition of G and F. Okay. Question is asking composition of F and G, composition of G and F. Let's find fog comma gof. F comma G are given to you. So this F is from integers to integers and G is from integers to integers. Okay. The question is saying that Fx is 2x plus 3 and the question is saying that Gx is 3x plus 2. Okay. Tell me what will be fog x? What will be fog x? Quickly tell me. What is going to be fog x? You know that fog x will be f of gx. Now, what is gx? Gx is 3x plus 2. What is f 3x plus 2? Here, instead of x, you put 3x plus 2. Okay, so it will be 3x plus 2 plus 3. So that is going to be how much? 6x plus 7. Okay, what will be gof x? Gof x, that is go fx. What is gof x? See, go fx is what? Fx is 2x plus 3. Okay, so tell me now. Go 2x plus 3. Instead of x, you put 2x plus 3. So you will get, instead of x, you put 2x plus 3. So you are getting 6x plus 11. Okay. Now let's come back to the question. We got fog is, remember, we got fog that is 6x plus 7 and we got gof which is 6x plus 11. Now tell me what is the answer? Anyone? The answer is option A or option B? The answer that is option A or option B. Which of the following is the answer? What do you think? Answer A or option B? Option A or option B? See, what is composition of F and G? What is composition of F and G? When I say composition of F and G, and when I say composition of G and F, what that is? This will be go for fog. This will be go for fog. Tell me. This will be go for fog. Okay, let me tell you. This is a dumb question. This UGC NET question, this is absolutely dumb question. Let me tell you. Okay, this is a misconception, or I can say this is a confusion. This is not a misconception, this is a confusion. What is composition of F and G? If I write F and G, will it be fog or will it be gof? Will you consider this or will you consider this? Which will you consider? Which is correct? Right? You might be thinking, which is correct? Yes or no? Agree? Which is correct? Fog or gof? Okay, actually, both are correct. Okay, both are correct. Let me tell you. For example, if you see Kenneth Rosen, this is the book Kenneth Rosen. In the Kenneth Rosen book, actually, when they say function composition of F and G, here they want to say fog. Okay, are you getting my point? In this Kenneth Rosen book, this is the book Kenneth Rosen. In this Kenneth Rosen book, when they write composition of F and G, they want to say fog. But this is Stanford article. This is from Stanford. You can see. Okay. In this, you can see when they are writing composition of F and G, they are writing gof. Are you getting my point? So actually, this statement is ambiguous. When you say composition of F and G, this statement is actually ambiguous. Is this clear? When you say composition of F and G, remember, this can be fog or this can be gof. It depends on the author. Is this clear? It depends on the author. So this statement is actually ambiguous. Okay, so remember, both are correct. Both are correct. If you say, if you calculate fog, that is also correct. If you calculate gof, that is also correct. Both are correct. Is this clear? So let's come back to this question. This UGC NET question. This question is really ambiguous. If you let me promise you one thing. If this same question comes in the GATE exam, what answer they will give? Let's assume, first of all, this question will not come in the GATE exam. This question will not come in the GATE exam in GATE future. Okay, let's assume this question by chance, if this question comes in the GATE exam, then you will get marks for this also, you will get marks for this also. Okay, so remember, you will get marks for option A comma B. If you do A, then also you will get marks. If you do B, then also you will get marks. That, first of all, in the GATE this question will not come. Okay, GATE and TIFR, these are good exams. Let me tell you, this GATE exam and TIFR exam, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, these are really very good exams. These questions are created by professors. TIFR, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, those questions are created by TIFR professors. And GATE exam questions are created by IIT, IISc professors. Okay, but I don't know who creates UGC NET questions. In this question, this is really a dumb question. Okay, this is really a dumb question. First of all, this question is not created by a professor. Some person has created this question, and I don't know who has created, but let me tell you, this person has studied one resource. Okay, this person has studied one resource, one particular book this person has studied, and this person has created a creative question in this person's mind. A creative question he has created. Okay, F and G, G and F I will ask, and more creativity he has put in the options. More creativity he has put in the options. He has given this also, this also. Okay, so you can see, oh, by following only one resource, only one standard resource this person has studied, and this person has put both the options to make it creative. Okay, to make it tricky question. Okay, this person must be very proud. I have created a very tricky question, right? Okay, so anyway, this is a dumb question, and this is the problem when you study only from one resource, because there are some concepts which are author dependent. Okay, so that is the reason in the GoClasses, whatever we teach you from several resources. We follow many different resources we follow. That is the reason all these things we can tell you. Okay, is this clear? So remember, this type of question will not come in the GATE exam. But tell me one thing, what do you think? If you are UGC NET student, okay, you are preparing for UGC NET, and in this exam, in this UGC NET exam, if you are there, then which option you will take? Just read question maker's mind. Please read question maker's mind. What do you think? This person has studied Kenneth Rosen or Stanford. What do you think? This person who has created this dumb question, what do you think? This person has studied Stanford or Kenneth Rosen? Definitely this person has studied Kenneth Rosen. Okay. So because Kenneth Rosen is very popular, so that is the reason most of the people, most of the Indian people, they study Kenneth Rosen. Okay, so that is the reason. This question maker thinks that composition of F and G means fog, and composition of G and F means GOF. Is this clear? This question maker is thinking fog, GOF. So this question maker will give you answer for option A. Okay, is this clear? If you are a UGC NET student, if you are in those UGC NET exam, if you are sitting in UGC NET exam, then remember, the question maker is basically thinking from Kenneth Rosen point of view. Okay, so in the UGC NET exam, you can put option A. But in the GATE exam, which option you will put? In the GATE exam, you will get marks for option A, B. For both of them, you will get the marks. Okay, so do not worry. For option A, option B, both of them, you will get the marks. Actually, in the GATE exam, this type of ambiguous question will not come. If this question comes, they will not give you these two options simultaneously. Okay, one of them will be there. These two options, they will not give you. Okay, so now, is this clear? Please tell me, is this point clear, that composition of F and G, this statement is ambiguous? Okay, it can mean fog, it can mean GOF, that will depend on the author. Okay, so if you are thinking it is fog, that is also fine. If you are thinking it is GOF, that is also fine. Is this clear? Is this point clear? Please tell me. A student was asking, before I started this class, a student was asking, sir, what is composition of F and G? So now you tell me, that is fog or golf? Okay, that is both. Okay, because it is ambiguous. Composition of F and G, this statement is ambiguous. Okay, so in the GATE exam, if they ask you any question, they will ask you fog or they will ask you golf. They will not ask you composition of F and G. Okay, this ambiguous statement they will not give you. So don't worry about it. Okay. Now you can easily see here under this question, this UGC net question, right? Okay, this UGC net question, if you see the answer on GateOverflow, okay, you can see this answer is according to Kenneth Rosen. This answer is according to Kenneth Rosen, and this answer is according to the Stanford article. So that is the beauty of dumb questions. Okay, is this clear?